So Stella, at the minute, we can identify the market's cycle really from this situation, believe it or not. So we can count the market cycle here. We can count a simple 1. Now this is where it gets tricky. This is where you need to have eyes, and you need to have laser eyes, because that's hard for anyone to see a 1, 2, 3 like. But I know it's that. I'm not going to give it all away, I guess, from these videos. That's not what I'm here to do. 15 years of hard work, but I'm here to help and show. Anyhow, that's how this is set up. So we've had 3 cycles lower here. Some people will draw these, flag patterns, whichever. What I can identify, I showed you earlier, is those 2 types of consolidation: sideways, chop, and in between a high and a low, you've got this 1, 2, 3 as well. Look carefully here, 1, 2, 3. So what comes down must go up. Extremely bullish, ultimately, Stellar blockchain. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and join the newsletter. Check out the Melons Trade website. We've got a fantastic PDF which I thoroughly recommend people buy. Gives you a good foundation knowledge on the market cycle and how to use harmonics with those cycles. We're not talking about regurgitating information you can just get on Google. This is my own personal experiences and how I trade these harmonic patterns, which ones work for me. Some real key piece of information. So anyhow, I'll leave you on that. Wish you all the best, and thanks for watching. Cheers.